Okay guys, this seems to be the problem here. I got quite a bit of movement up and down. It's coming from the lower mounting bolt and bushing. It also has lateral movement this way, up and down and side to side. It just seems excessive to me. The brake pads, you can see they're moving in and out. They're not what I would call light drag. Doesn't seem that they're touching at all. So I don't know what the problem is. I ordered some new bolts. I ordered that bolt down here, goes through here, but seems like there's a lot of movement going on right there, and likewise with this bolt up here. Just, I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Lots of wiggle. So let me know what you think, and I'll post this video tonight. I appreciate it. Alright guys, take care.